Hey there, Todd Baker here at Texas Marine. Today we're going to talk about this 2014 XL. This is a 203 Bay Pro. This got a 42 hours on it, so it's going to be a very low hour boat. You can tell by looking down the sides and looking at the rub rails, boat's in great shape. It's really taken care of, piloted well, low hours. A lot of benefits and features to this boat. Let's walk around and take a few look at it and show you a few of them. So out back, you got a lot to work with. Again, 42 hours, Yamaha 115. You can tell by looking at the skeg, looking at the prop, boat's in really good shape, it's taken care of. Here's the cool thing, you got the power pole already there. So when you find that spot, you're running in the shallows and you get up on top of the big fish and you don't want to have to worry about dropping an anchor and do all that, boom, power pole, you're there. You want to take off to the beach, go hang out for a little while, power pole, boom, you're there. Those things are handy, you'll love it, it's a fantastic addition. Let's go up inside and look at a few of the features in there and see what makes it better. So starting out front, one of the key features you'll know about this boat right away is it's got lots of storage. So you're gonna have plenty of room for all that stuff you want to leave on the boat. You don't want to have to load and unload every time. Minn Kota trolling motor out front, Riptide, so you're gonna be good to go when you get in the shallow water. You've got your fishing seats, already have the pedestals with them, so you're set up there front and rear. Again, lots of storage. Boat's in really great shape. Tie downs on the floor. Got your live well in there. Everything's good to go there. Coming back to the helm, windshield, you got your Lowrance Elite 7 up here. Got your power pole control that's already there. All the gauges have been gone through on a full 2-page inspection, as well as the switches. Boat's been water tested. You got 3 rod holders on either side of the helm, so it's going to give you a total of 6. The lean post, you do have the rear fishing chair. You got the 2 rumble seats, so you got plenty of room. A little bit kind of hard to see from right there, but you got a live well back here, so you got plenty of room to store and keep all the fish you catch. If you have any questions on this boat, feel free to reach out to us, Texas Marine, 936-539-2628. Let us help make your boating dreams come true.